A Hyundai Palisade that has turned into a Palade. Yeah, a Palade. We had the garage door come down onto the back of the vehicle and it just scraped. You can kind of see the scratches here. It scraped off these two letters clean off of it. Okay, so the tools of the trade here that I'm going to be using are some fishing line and a hair dryer. See it wobbling now. Oh yeah, it's cutting through nicely. Okay, there you go. Just testing the water again. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, do you want to make sure? Yes, sir. Wow, that one was loose. I think that one got. Off. Ooh, okay, well, I mean, that's a good, that was the easy part. Adhesive is actually the difficult task. So check it out, I'll walk through it. I used Goo Gone. You can use any other adhesive remover. And I've also got a scraper. It came with this thing, this Goo Gone. I did test it. I used this Goo Gone on these middle two. It cleaned it up pretty good. So we'll try it again today and see how it does on these. I think it's going to need a good polish, like a real buffing polish to get it really done. But so to complete this job, you need to use a product like Scratch and Swirl Remover. This is with ceramic seal. Got it on Amazon, but you can use whatever you've already got handy. And hand polish this in, and it absolutely cleared all of those micro scratches and swirls from the rear of the vehicle. It looks fantastic. Thanks again for watching, and good luck with your Palisade.